Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number or a contact on this device. So actually we've got two different ways using which we can block a number. So let me show you the first one. It is using your contact list, so we can block the number which is currently saved. So just find a contact you would like to block and tap on it. And here we have to choose this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here, we've got the block numbers option, so simply tap on it and your device will ask you if you really want to block a number, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. So I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me tap on it in order to untick it and tap on block. And as you can see, from now on this number is blocked, so as I said, you won't receive any calls or messages. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon and tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it blocked because I want to check if it will appear on the blacklist. So that was the first way to block a number. And now let me show you the second option, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, so let's enter, and as you can see here we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just blocked from our contact list. What's more, here from this level you can add a number to a blacklist manually, so just tap on add a number and here you can freely enter it. Just tap on block if you are ready, and as you can see it immediately appears on the blacklist, so again you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages. What's more, here we've got the option unknown, so after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block calls from all unidentified callers, so it's quite a cool option. Obviously you can turn it off the same way. If you would like to unblock the number from the blacklist, no worries, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock, and as you can see it immediately disappears, so it means that you will receive actually all incoming calls and texts from those numbers. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.